Hello everyone, I hope you're well and Happy New Year. Hope you have a great start of the year. Okay, so let's get started. When you think of Vietnamese food, you probably think phở, Vietnamese spring roll, and bánh mì. But there's so much more to discover when it comes to Vietnam, and today I wanted to give you a peek into what that's like. I'm really excited today to show you my favorite snack, something that I grew up with when I was young, and something my husband says is really quite unique and unheard of in the West.
To me, who's somebody from the UK, rice paper mix is such a unique, fun snack that I feel like, when you have those sort of parties or gatherings with your friends or family, it's just such a perfect snack to bring along that everyone can kind of join in on, or something to snack on whilst you're watching movies. It just feels like that kind of fun, interactive snack to eat with your friends. It really does. Yeah, I really feel like everybody outside of Vietnam should give it a try. Back to you, Rosie. She's going to explain a little bit more about what exactly it is.
If you ever come to Vietnam, you will see people carrying two baskets over their shoulder, and they will sell all sorts of different snacks and food for people to buy. One snack that many kids and even adults love to buy is called Bánh Tráng Trộn, which means rice paper mix. It's so quick to make, easy to eat, and cheap. So in Vietnam, many people will make it and you can buy it all over. You get a bunch of rice paper sheets, the same ones you make spring rolls with, but you cut them into small pieces and then mix together with chili salt and kumquat juice. Many students will buy it for lunch or whenever they are looking for a fun, quick snack. I feel like it's such a great snack that you could all try. It would be something different to the usual things like popcorn or nachos. Rice paper mix can be made with just 3 ingredients, but today I'll show you how to make it with extra yumminess. I really love to add as much as possible to try to make it super tasty. I add mango, fried shallots, peanuts, Vietnamese cilantro, quail eggs, and Vietnamese dried chicken and beef. I also add a secret sauce that I'll share with you all that just make it so much yummier. If you can't find some ingredients yourself, you can replace them with something similar or just remove it, and it will be fine. So as long as you have the rice paper and kumquats or lime juice. All the ingredients are in the description. You can just pick and choose what you can find. I've listed the ingredients to make enough for 2 to 3 people, so you can adjust it if you need to make more or less. The most important thing is to buy rice paper. They can be found online on shops like Amazon or in some grocery stores. If you are able to get the ingredients, here's a look at how to make it. You can start by cutting the rice paper sheet into small pieces. Once you have done that, take 1 mango and shred it. The mango should be unripe so that it's hard and a little crunchy instead of super soft. This will also give it a nice texture and sour taste. If you can't find unripe mangoes, you can always skip it, don't worry. Next, it's time to prepare some Vietnamese cilantro. It has a very unique taste and it's quite different to normal cilantro. So if you cannot find it, you can skip it, don't worry. After that, hard boil some eggs. Quail eggs are what I use, but you can use normal chicken eggs too. You will now want to make some onion oil. Just heat up some oil in a pan, then mix it in a bowl with shallots and a pinch of sugar and salt. Now that you prepare the ingredients that need preparing, start to mix it all together. All together, I had the rice paper, mango, Vietnamese cilantro, kumquat juice, a teaspoon of chili paste, a handful of quail eggs, roasted peanuts, the dried chicken and beef, the onion oil, and finally, I love to add some spicy cheese sauce from a brand called Kewpie. You will never really see people adding sauce like this to their Bánh Tráng Trộn, but one day I tried it and it was so good. If you're Vietnamese, maybe you think I'm crazy, but trust me, you should give it a go. Next, mix in some Vietnamese chili shrimp salt. It's called muối tôm. Hopefully, you can find this online too. If you live in America, you can easily find it in many Vietnamese supermarkets or online. And there we have it, Bánh Tráng Trộn or rice paper mix. It's super fun, chewy, juicy snack filled with flavors. If you try it, let me know how it went, and in the future you can even experiment with adding toppings or flavors. I hope you all like this recipe, and I hope you enjoy this small look into the world of Vietnamese snacks. There are so many more things that I could show you too, so if you do want to see more like this, just let me know. See you next week, and don't forget to stay tuned because I would be live streaming again with the gaming merchant. Hope to see you stopping by on my stream. Thank you so much.